Hi mga kabulgar! Welcome to Bulgarlicious presents Kitchen Chaos, where these jars decide the menu. This segment presents stories in every recipes. No plans, no cheating. Whatever comes out, we cook and let's go! Lumpia wrapper. Chicken. Puchero. Okay, let's cook!
Chaos mode on. Matinding chopping powers ang kailangan dahil more ingredients ang ating hihiwain like we usually do sa normal lumpia. Sa ating dish for today, unahin natin ang panggisa. Next, let's chop some carrots, tomatoes, Baguio beans, cabbage, and saging na saba. In a pot, maggisa lang ng bawang at sibuyas and tomatoes. Then i-add na rin ang ating chicken at lagyan ng pepper. Once naluto ang ating chicken, let's pour some tomato sauce and konting soy sauce plus sugar para mabalance ang lasa ng ating puchero sauce. Now, ihiwalay natin ang ating chicken, saka natin i-shred o himayin. Then, let's cook our lumpia filling. For this unique recipe, gagamitin natin ang shredded chicken na niluto natin sa puchero sauce at isama rin sa gisa ng ating veggies. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's assemble everything on our lumpia wrapper at mag-add ng slice na saging na saba for extra flavor. After that, fry until golden brown. Wait, there's more! Walang masasayang for today's video. Ibe-blend natin ang puchero sauce na una nating niluto kanina para magamit as a dip for our lumpia. Trust me, lasang-lasa ang ating puchero. Presenting Chickchero Lumpia, a usual Pinoy recipe made with a delicate twist, chicken puchero wrap in crispy lumpia, perfect pang Sharon sa inyong upcoming handaan. Only here at Bulgarlicious! At syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang fun kung hindi natin susubukan. Kaya naman, it's tikiman time!
Masarap. Isa pa, ma'am.
Ito yung sinasabi ng ma'am.
Ano?
Terrific! Bulgarific!
Flavorful adventure with a tasteful surprise. Dito lang yan sa Bulgarlicious!